Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 Pabbly Connect automations that are going to completely change the way you actually work. These top 5 automations are going to help you with your social media platform, generating content, automatically engaging with your customers or users on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, or replying to your Google My Business reviews. If you're conducting some webinars, we have an automation for you as well. So without any further delay, let's begin and let's explore what are these top 5 Pabbly Connect powered automation workflows that are going to help you a lot. At number 5, we have an automation using which you can automatically send WhatsApp message to your new webinar registrant and also add the users in your CRM platform as well. But using this exact same automation, you can actually send a reminder message to your users as well. In this way, whenever a user is going to register for your webinar, few minutes or few hours before the webinar, you can send an automated reminder message that the webinar is coming soon and they have to join it as well. In this way, you can automatically solve the problem of registrant user missing the webinar as they usually forgot about it. Moving ahead to the fourth automation, that is automatically replying to the comments which you are receiving on Facebook or YouTube. Using this simple automation, whenever a user is going to post any comment on your Facebook post, automatically their comment will be replied using AI and a reply will be posted as well. And this automation workflow comes in handy when you are running some Facebook ads. If you're running some Facebook ads and the users are inquiring about your product for some more details and commenting on it, this automation workflow is a savior as it is automatically going to get that comment using AI platforms like ChatGPT and OpenAI. It is going to generate a reply for the comment and it is going to reply to that comment back as well. Now this automation is not only limited to Facebook. You can use the similar automation to reply to the comments on your YouTube channel as well. So if you're a YouTuber receiving a lot of comments from your users and you want to increase the personal interaction, the personal touch with your viewers, in that case, this automation is going to help you a lot as it is going to automatically get the comments from your YouTube videos. Using AI, it is going to generate a reply and reply back to the user's comment as well. Also using the similar kind of automation workflow, you can actually reply to your Google My Business reviews as well. Let's say you are receiving a review from your user on your Google My Business profile, then using this automation, you can actually automatically reply to those reviews as well. And this way, you have a complete updated Google My Business profile and you can increase the reaction time, the response time on your Google My Business profile as well, as you will be immediately replying to the reviews which you are receiving. Next up at number 3, we have automation related to your social media platform. And we will be creating a social media calendar which is going to automatically post the media or the content on your multiple social media platforms. In this automation, you just have to select the time duration that at what time interval you are going to post on your social media platform. And after that, in a Google Sheet, you just have to enter the content which you want to post. Let's say you are having a collection of photos which you have to post throughout this week. And you also have the caption and details related to that. In that case, you just have to enter all of these details into this Google Sheet, and using this automation at the fixed time interval, one by one, the post content, the post details will be received from the Google Sheet, and we are going to share that same post on our multiple social media platforms like Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, and whatnot. You can also post on LinkedIn, Tumblr, and other social media platforms. Also, if you want to create a blog related to your new social media post, you can do that and add an AI-powered tool like ChatGPT or Anthropic Cloud as well in the same automation workflow. In this way, you can automate the process of creating new posts on your multiple social media platform and eliminate the manual task of doing that. Now coming at number 2, we have the automation that is going to help you to nurture your leads. So if you're running some Facebook lead ads, Google ads, or LinkedIn lead gen ads to generate some new leads, in that case, this automation is a savior. So using this automation, whenever a new lead will be generated, automatically you can send instant WhatsApp message, SMS, and email to the same lead as well. Now this automation workflow actually works for all the platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and also if you want, you can use the same automation to add those leads in your CRM platform. In this way, whenever a new lead is going to sign up or a new lead will be generated, instantly you can send a notification to the same lead as well automatically without any manual intervention. And you can start nurturing your leads right away. Now at number 1, we have an automation using which you can generate some blog content using AI as the trend is, and you can also automatically post that content on WordPress or any other platform too. All you have to do is to add some topic or the details of the topic for which you want to generate a blog in a Google Sheet. And as you're going to add the details, Automatically using ChatGPT, OpenAI, Anthropic Cloud, or any other AI platform of your choice, you can generate the content. You can ask them to write a complete blog for that, and using Pabbly Connect automation, you can automatically post that blog on your WordPress site as well. Now, using this automation, you can completely eliminate the tedious manual effort of writing a blog and generating and posting it on your WordPress site. Also, you can create this automation in such a way that blogs are not directly published on your WordPress. You can just create a draft so that you can review all of these blogs later and get it published too. So these were the top 5 automation every business should use. If you need any help or have any reviews related to these automations, you can always write us in the comment box below. And if you want a step-by-step guide, a complete tutorial on how you can set up each of these automations, you will get the full video links in the description box below. So this is it for today. Thank you. Have a great day.